plenty of good reasons why a garage door will cease working. You may observe that your garage door is having problems going down or up. Additionally, it can increase in an angle, or perhaps you may struggle to open or close the door by any means. Occasionally, this could be a mechanical issue which requires an adjustment. In other circumstances, you may want to have your electrical system repaired or replaced. Therefore, it is appropriate to contact a neighborhood garage door repair business. That is why you should think of contacting my company, Classy Garage Door Remote Fort Lee NJ, in case you are experiencing these problems.